Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Abhinath. Very nice. Your name is Abhinath present. Very nice. But you know how you will be marked present in my class?
Yes, ma'am.
This Abhinath present won't make you present in the class. Only your video, that if it will be on, you will be marked present. Yes, now you are present. Everybody else, the same rule applies to you all. You'll be marked present only when your videos will be on. Jaskirat, Aryan, Shaurya, Aditya Kumar. Everybody put your videos on.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all. Children, you want to begin the class? Let me see your faces. Don't hide yourselves behind the cameras. There is no point hiding yourselves now. Okay. I am forced to remove you from the meeting, children. Except for Abhinath, nobody is there in the class for me. And one by one, I'm starting to remove you. Let me start from Jaskirat. Aditya Kumar, good. Jaskirat,
Ma'am, 1 minute.
do you want to remove Jaskirat? Once removed, Jaskirat will not be able to rejoin the meeting. Do you hear this message, Jaskirat?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Actually, he is not wearing turban. That's why he is not able to on the camera.
Okay.
Give me 1 minute. He is wearing the turban.
All right, ma'am. All right. Then next, let me come on to Aryan Bhardwaj. Now, Aryan Bhardwaj, I hope you have heard the message. Once removed, you will not be able to rejoin the meeting.
Yes, ma'am, I am opening.
Opening. Next, let me come to Divyansh Jain now. What about you, Divyansh?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
All right. And Prachi Gangwar, 1 minute to you as well. Prachi Gangwar. Yes, good. Okay, so everybody has the book in his hand. Are you all ready with your books? Children, what we are going to do is we are going to restart with the syllabus. From chapter 6, we are going to start again on these classes. Because there are a lot of things, a lot of concepts which are not clear to you. So everybody open up. Page number, what is the page number? Tell me, of lesson C's. That's 65. Soissons sang. Soissons sang. Everybody open up. Lesson C's. And Prachi Gangwar, Aryan Bhardwaj, Divyansh Jain. This is for the last time that I'm telling you. Once removed, really, I have not marked your present. Except for Abhinath and Aditya, nobody has been marked present. Beta,
Ma'am, I have the translation.
I can't hear you. Who is speaking? Okay, beta, apart from translation, there are a few rules that we are going to write today when we do this chapter. Everybody get ready with your notebooks and pens as well. Samriddhi Shukla, put your video on. Okay, so I'm really sorry to remove Divyansh Jain. Very good, Jaskirat. Divyansh, I have to remove you anyhow, and one by one, I'm coming to all of you. Divyansh has been removed. Let me come on to Aryan Bhardwaj. Aryan Bhardwaj, can you hear me? Are you there? Samriddhi
Yes,
Shukla,
ma'am.
Aryan Bhardwaj, you want to be removed, beta?
No,
I
ma'am.
don't mind taking class with two children. I really don't mind. But there is some decorum that has to be followed. If you want to be in the class, you have to put your videos on. Tell me. Divyansh has already been removed. What about you? No, no reply means okay. Aditya Kumar and Samriddhi
I'm
Shukla.
open.
Samriddhi Shukla, you want to be in the class?
Ma'am, I have opened.
Good. Samriddhi Shukla also has to be removed. Once removed, you will not be able to rejoin the class, children. It's completely up to you. Divyansh Jain is messaging on WhatsApp. Ma'am, please take me in. I was just opening my camera. I was just opening my camera. So much time I have to waste on all this. All right, children. So, who is going to read it out? Lesson 6, Les Amis de Caroline. What is Les Amis? What is Les Amis? Tell me. Everybody unmute yourselves. There is going to be no chaos in the class. Since only 5 of
Ma'am,
you
the
are here.
friends.
Yes?
Ma'am, the friends. The friends.
Okay, they are the friends. Children, just a second. Is there any way to get him back? Can he
Ma'am, you
join now?
have.
Now Divyansh is
Yes,
saying
ma'am.
that yes, what am I supposed to
And
do?
he can join my other phone.
Yes, ma'am. He can join by other phone, ma'am, because from the mail he is joining, ma'am, he has been blocked from it. He can use
Okay.
another mail to join.
So I can't give him entry now?
Yes, ma'am. No.
All right. Sorry, ma'am. Please take me in last time.
Okay. Arish, you have the book with you?
Okay, so Les Amis is the friends. Now, when we are talking about the friends of Caroline, the comes before the word, the comes before proper noun. What does the mean? The means of or from. Everybody write it down. Everybody write it down.
Ma'am, please repeat.
The means DE. See, the word in the title of the chapter, the heading of the chapter, DE, that means of
About the
or
science
from.
exhibition also we discussed. Yes, yes, fine. So, Arish, read it from the beginning.
Written? Now, when we have to use of or from,
February 19th.
see, of and from can be used in different ways, like the friends of the girl. Now, if I say the friends of the girl, that means I'm talking about a common noun. Girl is what? A common noun. But when we take some name, like here they have taken the name Caroline. So Caroline is what? A proper noun. So before proper nouns, if we have to use of or from, we simply put de. Whether it is a masculine proper noun or it is a feminine proper noun or it is any place, any city's name. Suppose I want to say I am from Paris. I am from Paris. So my sentence would be Je suis de Paris. Je suis means I am. And what is the
I
meaning? From. From is the in French. Now Paris is a proper noun. So that is why I will put de before it. If I say the friends of Caroline, then they have put les amis de Caroline. If I say the friends of the girl, the friends of the girl. So what am I going to put? Instead of de, I am going to put la also. Les amis de la fille. Let me type in the chat box, children. You can see from there. Now, Divyansh, put your video on. Aryan Bhardwaj, Jaskirat. If I want to say the friends of the girl, so I am going to write les amis de la. What is a girl in French? See. Can you see in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Les amis de la fille. If I want to say the friends of the boy, what am I going to write? Les amis.
Les amis da.
You. No. Boy. But a boy again is what? Common noun. I'm not taking the name of the boy. If I say the friends of Abhinav, then I'm going to write les amis d'Abhinav. If I say the friends of Divyansh, les amis de Divyansh. But if I want to say the friends of the boy, so my sentence would be les amis du garçon. Du garçon. Now du means, see what is du? Du is of the. Du means of the. Du is a combination of and the. While if you have to use of before a feminine noun, that is when we have used it before the word fee, we make it, how do we make it? We split the word. The word becomes the la. Got it? Du also means the la, but before masculine we use du.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Okay, now I want to say
Ma'am.
the friends of the father. Write it down in the chat box. The friends of the father. How will you write? Everybody write in the chat box. The friends of father.
Things are situation goes out of control where people has no say in that. Great disturbance, confusion, uncertainty. सही है ना? Arish here?
Yes.
Pratyush, read the third paragraph.
Against this background, the new Tory government in Britain constituted a statutory commission under Sir John Simon, set up in his house to investigate. The commission was
Ma'am, what we say father in French?
Père. P-E-R-E. And what is mother? Mère. Les amis du père. Very nice, Prachi Gangwar. That is the correct way. Now, if I want to say the friends of mother, what are you going to type? The friends of mother. What is of before a feminine common noun?
the Viceroy Lord Irwin announced in October 1929 a ban of European
Where are other children's answers? Jaskirat, Divyansh and Aditya, where are your answers? Very nice, Prachi. Les amis de la mer. Les amis de la mer.
Then a complete of the British from gradually lost their in December 19 under the presidency of the Lahore Congress formalized the demands of Swara.
Good. Now, if I want to say the friends of Neha, type it. The friends of Neha.
Independent statesmen, people but to take up that to struggle or win independence. But the celebrations attracted very little attention. So Mahatma Gandhi had to find a way to relate this abstract idea of freedom to more concrete issues of everyday life.
I think third paragraph भी हमने आप लोगों को समझा दिया था.
Very nice.
Fourth
Les
paragraph
amis
में
de
हमने
Neha.
बताया था
Correct.
how Simon
Divyansh.
Commission
Very
was,
good.
you know,
Les amis de
how
Neha.
Simon Commission was.
Okay. The students of SR International
how students
School.
were used to tell
The students
Simon
of
to
SR
go
International.
back. Now, why the Simon Commission was protected? Rachit Saxena?
The
What
students.
was this commission all about?
What is
Rachit
students?
Saxena, are you
I
there?
hope all of you remember. Etudiant. Etudiant.
Rachit Saxena?
Now, what is SR International? SR International is the name of the school, which makes it a proper noun.
Wow, now.
मीटिंग ज्वाइन करने में इतना टाइम क्यों लगता है आप लोगों को? Why? But you did not come to the meeting room at all? Refresh कर दिया करो। Yeah.
Children, where are the answers? I can't see a single answer till now. The students. What is the students? Les étudiants.
Now you are in. Fine. Now you are in.
Les étudiants of SR International. SR International is a proper noun. Name will remain same.
So it will be written SR International School only.
Yes, yes. SR International. Don't write school.
Why Indians were required in the science?
SR International.
What was this commission all about?
The students of SR International.
Agree. But then why only they should be part of the class?
Les étudiants. Very nice. The SR International. Very good.
What was this commission about? वो तो हम समझ गए कि दादा ब्रिटिश के इंडियंस कम थे और जो है आपका
So that is how now the concept of du, the la, and the is clear to all of you. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
move ahead and read the dialogues that are given. The first dialogue is la. Everybody put your videos on. Now nobody is working on the chat box.
Constitutional. It was for the constitutional amendment. It was to bring
Everybody videos on.
certain laws which were there in the constitution made up by the British, right? Right? And when Indian members were not made part of this commission, that is why Indians.
Ankur Gangwar, your video should be on. Aditya Kumar, your video should be on.
Now opposition was because the changes that were to be
Okay.
brought, they were
So the
for
first
Indians.
dialogue on page number
No Indian
65
members were there.
is
There was no point of having this
La,
commission there in the
say
country.
Samira.
Because,
LA
Indians
Pakistaner.
were looking for-
Now what is that?
May I tell?
Yes.
There is Samir. Samira. She is Pakistani.
Yes. Now we have always studied that the word la and la stand for the. It is the definite article. But here we see this la has got an accent over
There.
it. Can we see this accent? This is accent graph.
Yes, ma'am.
So wherever we have this accent graph, the meaning of la changes. This
Yes,
la
ma'am. It
means
becomes there.
there.
When
Yes.
Bengal,
There.
under
It is Samira. She is Pakistani.
there
LA
was
Pakistaner.
right?
Then the second dialogue. Isi, say Pedro.
Right?
El español. Now what is
Here is
missing?
Pedro. He is Spanish.
How this
Here
Viceroy was,
is
there in
here.
the country,
It is Pedro. He
what
is
made these
Spanish.
Viceroys
Now what
Spanish.
we see, the difference comes when we
First
talk
time
about
in class eight,
Samira. Samira is a girl, and we talk about her nationality. We put E in the end. LA Pakistanes. Correct? Now
Yes,
when we
ma'am.
are talking about Pedro's nationality, we have not put any E in the end. So to make a nationality into feminine, we add an E in the end. Everybody type this in, everybody write it in your copies.
Yes, ma'am. Written.
This rule, to make the nationalities into feminine, we add an E in the end.
ये point to some extent is correct, but पूरा completely हम उसको सही नहीं बोल
Ma'am, E in the end.
E. Okay, we add E in the end.
Anybody wants to try?
But this rule is not applicable in 100% cases. There are different cases.
Actually, हमने बताया जरूर होगा.
There are different cases. This rule is not applicable in 100% cases. Why? Because
चीजें इसलिए बताई जाती ताकि आप ध्यान रखें.
see, I'm going to type an example, an exception in the chat box. What we say, Swiss, the people who live in Switzerland, what are they called? They are called Swiss.
आपके आगे भी काम आएगा.
Swiss, how is it typed in French?
जो गवर्नर जनरल, जो गवर्नर
Ma'am, if we will tell it to, if we will be telling it in the context of a girl, then we will put E in the end.
Okay. So when I say this rule is not applicable to 100% cases, to make a nationality, we add E in the end. Those nationalities which already have got an E in the end, they do not take another E to be formed into feminine. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now Swiss has got E for masculine also. So in feminine, we are going to just keep it the same. We will not add another E.
that is the queen.
Clear?
After that, a representative
Yes, ma'am.
for the queen was there in the
Then,
country. He was called by the
children, you are actually making me lose my
Governor General
patience.
that this post was completely abolished after the revolt of 1857 and under the government of India.
Don't make me do something that I did with Divyansh Jain.
Provision was made where governor generals were no more existing in the country. No board of control was there. Under the Regulating and the Fixed Act, board of control was
Jaskirat,
established, where 6
Prachi,
members were there.
Ankur and Aditya Kumar.
Also collect the report and give it to
Last
governor
warnings to all four of
after
you.
revolt of 1857, this provision was completely abolished.
And I'm going to
by
write it in your
British
class
Crown.
groups that you were not being at all obedient.
Representative of the crown was made to stay in the country as the viceroy.
Ma'am, I have opened.
This much is clear now.
And now, without saying, if you close your videos now, without any warning, I'm going to remove you.
Now, आप लोगों ने
This I have told you, and this has been recorded. I'm going to remove you if you put your videos off now, without letting you all know. Then, the next dialogue is A Wala Sonia. Now, what is A Wala
And-
Sonia? Yes.
And here is Sonia. She is Italian.
And there is Sonia. She is
Ma'am, there or
Italian.
here?
There. See, voici means here is, Wala means there is. I'm typing in the chat box. Voici is, here is, or here are. And voila is, there is, or there are. Clear? Write it down in your
Yes, ma'am.
copy. Then, let's come on to the dialogues. Let's come on to the main chapter. Écoutez et regardez. Listen and see. Now, Caroline says, Salut, comment allez-vous? What is
Hi,
salut?
how are you?
Yes.
Hi, how are
you? So, Samira, Pedro, and Sonia. Ensemble. What is ensemble? Together. They reply. What do they reply?
Pedro and Sonia. Very good.
Très bien. All of them together reply très bien. They all are very good. Now Caroline says, j'ai une question.
I have a question.
A question. Now children, since we have got une before the word question, that makes it obvious that question is what? Feminine gender. Everything in French has got a gender, right? So question in French is feminine gender. Clear? Then Caroline asks, sorry, Samira says, qu'est-ce que c'est? What is
What
it?
is it?
Then what does Caroline say?
In the fourth paragraph to be explained.
What does Caroline say?
Tu es le livre
Tu
de
as
français.
le livre de français. What is tu as? AS.
Do
What
you
is AS?
Now,
Where does this AS come from?
topic that we have is we solve the march and the
Do you have?
AS comes from the verb avoir. Avoir, when conjugated with tu, becomes a. Tu as le livre. You have the book, the français. Now we are talking about a particular subject. We are talking about French subject. That makes it a proper noun. So we put the before it. Tu as le livre de français? You have the book of French. Then Samira replies, oui, j'ai le livre de français et de maths.
Yes, I have the French and
Yes, I
maths book.
have the book. Yes, I have the book of French and of
Maths
maths.
book.
Then, so Sonia says, Pedro, qu'est-ce que c'est? Pedro, what is it? Then what does Pedro reply? Pedro replies, ce sont des feuilles pour le contrôle. These are the papers for the exam. These are the papers for the exam. Now children, when I say this is a pen, how do I say it in French? How do I say it in French? This is a pen.
This is a pen.
This is a pen in French. What is it?
Stylo.
Complete sentence. This is a pen.
This is a pen.
C'est un stylo. Forgotten? C'est un stylo. Right?
Ma'am, can you
Now,
write in the chat box?
Theta stilo.
If I talk about more than one pen, what will I say? These are pens. Now what is these are pens in French?
Les de silo.
Ce sont des stylos. When we
Des
talk about
stylos.
anything plural, say changes
These
to
are.
ce sont. Say changes to ce sont. These are ce sont des stylos.
Ma'am, it is written also. Says this.
Similarly, Pedro is talking about some papers. So he says, ce sont des feuilles pour le contrôle. Then Sonia replies, la la, nous avons le contrôle aujourd'hui. Oh my, we have the exam today. What is today? Today is called? Today in French is called what?
Today.
Yes. Aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui. Yes. Aujourd'hui. That is called today. So we have the exam today. Now let's come on to the questions of this chapter.
Say true or false.
Yes. Who is going to do them? One by one, all
Ma'am.
of you have to pick one. Yes. Abhinav, very nice. Start.
Pedro, Caroline et Sami saw this MS. Ma'am, it is true.
Pedro, Caroline et Samira sont des amis.
Ma'am, they are friends. Ma'am, it
They
is
are
true.
friends. So what is true called in French? True in French
Vrai.
is called Ray. Ray. Next, Ankur Gangwar. It's your turn.
जो है ये who are there to impose tax on it. अगर हम उसको बनाते भी हैं
Ankur Gangwar, it's your turn now for the next.
Ma'am, when it was exam, ma'am, I have written the translation of full chapter.
Okay, very nice. Ankur Gangwar.
तो उन्होंने सॉल्ट लॉ के
And they have shut down this camera.
जो है वो लॉन्च करी थी और सॉल्ट लॉ
Yes, Divyansh. Do the second one.
रीच्ड दांडी फ्रॉम साबरमती
I'm false.
Samira a Laliv Destuar. Samira has the
Ma'am,
book
tomorrow-
of history. That's
History.
false. What is false in French?
Fox.
Faux.
Fox.
Faux. X is silent.
Four.
Then the third one. Sonia a Italian.
Sonia is Italian.
Sonia
Am I
is
Italian?
Italian. So what is Sonia? Is she Italian?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Yes,
true.
ma'am.
True. What is true in French?
Ray.
Ray. And then the last one. Jaskirat is going to do the last one. Jaskirat.
Ma'am, it is written Pedro is Francis. What is the last sentence translation?
Pedro a Francais. Now Jaskirat is going to tell us. Jaskirat, what is the answer? Pedro a Francais.
Now they will not do it. Then later on also they will not.
Pedro is French.
Am I Italian?
Pedro is not French. He is, yes, Divyansh, tell.
This is what you
I'm
have
Hispanic.
civil disobedience.
It is four.
Four. Because Pedro is
चलिए.
Espanol. He is Spanish. He is Espanol.
He is Spanish.
Yes. So that makes it four. Now, children, when we do the definite articles, what are definite articles? We use definite articles for something specific or definite that we are talking about. Right? Now, definite article in English is the. The. The girl standing under the tree is my sister. The boy on the roof is my son. Okay? The bird on the tree is sparrow. Like that. When we are talking about something definite. And if I just talk about something indefinite, that there are a few girls under the tree. There are a few boys on the roof. This is something not specified. I'm not talking about anything specified. So when we are talking about something definite, we put definite article before
Articles.
it. Like in the chapter we studied, you have the book of French. You have the book of French. We were talking about a particular book. So that is why they have put tu as le livre de français. Right? So similarly, this definite article also changes according to the gender of the noun, gender of the object that we are talking about. If it is masculine, we put le, L-E, le. If it is feminine, what do we put? Le changes to
Less.
la, beta, la, L-A. La
LA,
changes
okay.
to la. And when we are talking about plural, it becomes
Less.
lay. L-E-S is lay. And there is also one more thing, that when we are talking about any noun that is starting with a vowel, we put L apostrophe, whether it is masculine or it is feminine.
Feminine.
What are we going to put? We are going to put L apostrophe.
L apostrophe.
But if the word starting with a vowel is also in plural, we are going to put LES before it. Now let's read out this table. These rules will be more clear when we do this table. The first one, le copain. Copain is what? Companion. Now, if we are talking
Companion.
about a feminine companion, look at the pink table.
Second pink table.
Le copain changes to la copine. Le garçon changes to la fille. Le sport. Le sport means we are talking about sport. Sports in French is masculine. Now we talk about something feminine like swimming pool. Piscine. Swimming pool is called piscine. So we put la before it. La piscine. Then we have le chocolat and la glace. Feminine
Chocolate.
objects take la before them.
Cho-
Masculine
le-
take le.
The chocolates.
Yes. Now, but when we talk about something collective, more than one, plural nouns, masculine and feminine, both take lay before them as definite articles. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's come on to the green table. The green table is homme. Now, what is homme? Homme means man. And it starts with
Feminine,
H.
masculine.
It starts with H. H in French is also treated as a vowel. So we put L apostrophe. We call it l'homme.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we
It is
have
put-
oiseau. Oiseau is again masculine gender. It is written in the bracket M.
Yes, ma'am. M.
We call it l'oiseau. Then we have école. What is école? École is school. School is
School.
feminine gender.
Feminine.
We again have put L apostrophe. And l'horloge. What is horloge? Horloge is a wall clock.
Feminine.
Wall clock. We put L apostrophe. Now, when these nouns starting with
Become
vowels,
plural.
they come in plural, all of them will take lay before them. So we call it les hommes,
Le.
les
Yes, ma'am. What is
oiseaux,
written? Le.
les hommes, les oiseaux, les écoles, and les horloges.
Horloges.
No, not horloges. It is les horloges.
Okay.
Okay? Because we do not give sound to the consonants that come in the end. Now, everybody write down this table in your copies right now.
Ma'am, I think I have written. I will check.
What about others? What about
One
the
minute.
rest?
You
Did
have
you
made
have
us write.
written?
Ma'am,
Yes.
when we were doing this chapter, you have said that we have to write this table in the copy, ma'am. I have written.
All right. Very good if you have written. Now see, let's read a few rules of these definite articles. Les articles définis. The definite articles are le, la, L apostrophe, and les,
Le.
and are the equivalent of the in English. What are
English.
they equivalent? They're equivalent
The in English.
Le comes before, le comes before
Masculine.
a masculine singular noun
Now,
beginning with a
beginning
consonant. La comes before a feminine singular noun beginning with a consonant.
Consonant.
Le and la drop their e and a before singular
Singular
nouns beginning with a vowel
The vowel.
or a silent h. H is treated silent. Le comes before all plural nouns, whether it is masculine or it is feminine or it is starting with a vowel. All plural nouns will take le before them.
I
If
mean,
we- Yes,
there. It doesn't matter that it is feminine or
yes,
or
yes.
masculine.
It doesn't matter. You need not worry. You need not learn. If the noun is in plural form, you simply put le before it. If it is asking for a definite article, if the sentence requires a definite article. If it is asking for indefinite article, what are you going to put? We put they.
Ma'am,
They before it.
eh,
Then, no article is used before